everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Super Spring Declutter Challenge. I'm Steph, this is the Secret Slob channel. So all month I've been working on decluttering my entire house, going through every single thing I own and deciding what's really worth keeping. And today is a little bit different, but still really important. How many emails do you have in your email inbox? I have over 800. And for me, that's kind of actually under control. It's been worse, if you can believe it. I find my email to be super overwhelming when I go in there. I have subscribed to way too many newsletters, or I bought a product somewhere and now they think I need a coupon for it every month, even though I'm like, yeah, I've already bought it from you. So once in a while, I like to sit down and just really purge through my email inbox. Sometimes I get crazy and just delete everything. And sometimes I just like to go through and unsubscribe to the things that just aren't serving me. So just like everything in our life that's a physical thing, our digital world can also become super cluttered. So today I'm gonna take a few minutes to just go through my emails, declutter a few of them, see if I can get it down to like inbox 0 or at least inbox less than 100. How could I possibly need to reference more than 100 emails? And the other thing I want to do is clean up my phone. I've got lots of apps everywhere and it's really disorganized, and it just makes me spend more time on my phone than I need to. So today is all about digital detox. Take a few minutes. This is a super easy one. I mean, you don't even have to leave the couch, and just try to delete some of those emails, hit unsubscribe, and see how low you can get. To give you a little extra motivation, I'm giving away $100 to a local store of your choice. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. And let me know how many emails you deleted today. I can't wait to see, because some people have huge numbers and it's so satisfying. Just wait till you get started. You're gonna be like, click, 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 click. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. It's awesome. All right, I'm gonna get started deleting some of these emails. Okay, so right now I have 327 unread emails. 327. They're mostly just nothing. Oh, 611 total emails. So it's not as bad as I thought, but I mean, it does not have to be as bad. Unsubscribe, unsubscribe. It changed, and now it says 2,500 emails. Okay, I'm gonna need a second. Okay, so I started at 12:49, and it's now 1:05. So it took me, I can't do math, 16, 17 minutes, and guess what? Inbox 0. There was almost nothing. I saved a couple receipts, but I even had emails from 2012 from the Calgary Flames asking me if I wanted to come to a game. Yeah, that was 10 years ago. So I'll show you right now, inbox 0. How great is that? I feel so much better, like a weight has been lifted. I unsubscribed to a bunch of things. I just tried to filter a bunch of things, and now I feel like I'm gonna have a way better handle on my mail that is coming in. So even though you can't see it, and it's not like cluttering up your house, it's still clutter in your life and in your mind. So I highly recommend taking just 15, 17 minutes. I deleted 2,500 emails today, and it was so easy. So get after it. Make sure to leave that comment below with how many emails you decluttered, and I'm gonna pick a winner for the $100 gift card. All right, I will see you tomorrow, and we'll declutter some real life stuff.